Imagine feet completely overrun by hundreds of parasites, invisible but intense pain. Today, you will see how these jiggers, called tonga penetrans, are removed in a severe infestation case. These tiny fleas penetrate human skin, lodge beneath the surface, and leave only a small opening to breathe. They feed on blood, swell, lay hundreds of eggs, and cause pain, infections, and sometimes severe deformities. Here's how a professional removes them. 1. The area is carefully cleaned to prevent infection. 2. Each jigger is identified with the naked eye or magnifying tool. 3. Using sterilized instruments, the parasite is gently extracted to avoid breaking. 4. The cavity left in the skin is disinfected. 5. This process is repeated until all parasites are removed. It's a long, precise, sometimes painful task, but absolutely necessary to save the foot and the person's health. Before we continue, if you want to see rare and educational videos like this, subscribe now. You won't want to miss what comes next. By subscribing, you will discover how severe infestations form and are treated. Real transformations, step by step. Rare information few dare to share. So click subscribe now and stay with us to see the most extreme cases. Every clean foot is a victory against these parasites. Stay tuned and see how science and care can defeat even the most severe infestations. Imagine feet completely overrun by hundreds of parasites, invisible but intense pain. Today, you will see how these jiggers, called tonga penetrans, are removed in a severe infestation case. These tiny fleas penetrate human skin, lodge beneath the surface, and leave only a small opening to breathe. They feed on blood, swell, lay hundreds of eggs, and cause pain, infections, and sometimes severe deformities. Here's how a professional removes them. 1. The area is carefully cleaned to prevent infection. 2. Each jigger is identified with the naked eye or magnifying tool. 3. Using sterilized instruments, the parasite is gently extracted to avoid breaking. 4. The cavity left in the skin is disinfected. 5.